going on, guys, and welcome to another video. In today's video we are actually going to be installing, I'll show you guys right now. Boom. These bitch ain't focusing. These are brand new turn signals from this company here. I'm gonna make this video is basically on how to install these, and I think I have a pretty easy way on putting them on. So what we're doing is getting rid of these turn signal lights. Mine are tinted, but usually they come clear, I think, or orange. But look, that's just an ugly ass color, right? So you can't do that. So these right here, that's a whole LED strip, and it's also sequential. We're gonna be installing these. These are from OPT7. These were around, I think they're almost like 200 bucks, I believe. And look, got a brand new jack stand, because I think I have an idea on how to put these on, like, pretty easily. Because a lot of people, what they do is they end up taking off the bumper. And so what I'm gonna do is not do that. It's basically gonna turn the wheel inside, and then where the wheel well's at, wheel well, whatever the fuck it's called, this plastic piece, I'm gonna take off all the tabs. And because if you take this whole part, that piece of the wheel well off, you'll be able to see the actual light here, and we'll just work from there, right? And if I have to raise the car, I will, just so it'll be easier for me. But yeah, let me get the GoPro on, let's get started. Okay guys, let's see if the plan will work. You guys will, it's kind of hard to explain on what I'm going to do, but you guys will kind of get the idea on what I want to do. I really recommend getting one of these if you guys are going to take those tabs out. These little, I'm trying to point it at the camera, this fucking bullshit, to take those tabs out so you guys won't have to take them out with flatheads, so you guys don't mess up the tabs if you guys want to reuse them to put the wheel well back on. And yeah, you guys like my new fucking toolbox? Look at that. My girlfriend's dad actually got this for me. Oh, and look at this for the video. So when we work under the car, boom, bitch is bright as hell. Oh yeah, I also installed, it's really cool outside, I installed a wicker bill. Check it out. I didn't make a video of it, but look, shit's clean. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's sick. My girlfriend got me that for my birthday. I also got a new roller. I already did an oil change with the Mustang on this. A new jack stand, because that one scares the shit out of me. And a bunch of tools. You know, basically everything you need. Say less. So yeah. Alright guys, so let's get started. First thing we're going to do is actually take the tire off. We're going to have to take the tire off just to be able to take off the entire housing. Fuck. The entire housing of the fog light. So I'll do that. There we go. So now we could go on to step 2. So let me grab my light. Remove these two. And I believe that's it, just so we could get this out of the way. See, so I removed one of the pins. Here's another one. That one doesn't look like it's gonna come off. So in a situation like that, that's why you got one of these. So then, that bitch doesn't want to come off. You're gonna have to force that bitch off. Yep, there you go. Look, boom. Still reuse that. Then you're gonna move this out of the way. Oh, there's another one right there. Another one up here in the corner. Boom. Is this one gonna come off nice? No, we're gonna have to torture this one too. Okay. So, you don't want it to come off. That's what you have. This fucking thing. God, those fucking pins are so annoying. That's it. So just take these two off and this whole thing should come off. So let's go ahead and do that. One here. We got one out. We got two out. So there's a bolt here, a bolt here. I'm assuming you take both of those and this one here. Unplug these two wires, or these two fucking clips. This is already bothering me. Okay. There's one. Oh, there's two. So we took off these two plugs off of the turn signal light. Smaller one, bigger one. I'm pretty sure we got to take this one, this one off, this one, and this one. Not too sure what size that is, but it looks maybe a 7mm. Oh, I got something in my eye. I'm not trying to take off every one of those fucking plastic fucking annoying pins and me not put the bumper on right. You know, I don't like taking bumpers off. I was planning on getting a GT350 bumper, but just me thinking about having to take the bumper off and putting it back on. And I heard the GT350 bumper doesn't really, you have to make some modifications or adjustments to the fucking, whatchamacallit. Okay guys, we did get it out. So after you guys take off all those bolts, you guys don't be scared to give it like a little tug for this thing to actually pop out, just because it was kind of hard to take it out. And this is real carbon. I bought this car with this on and I thought it was fake, but that's real carbon. But I actually have a carbon lip that I'm going to put on as well that I got. So here's the thing that we're taking out. So I will give you guys a side comparison if I could find it. This is the left side. Okay guys, we did get it out. So after you guys take off all those bolts, you guys don't be scared to give it like a little tug for this thing to actually pop out, just because it was kind of hard to take it out. And this is real carbon. I bought this car with this on and I thought it was fake, but that's real carbon. But I actually have a carbon lip that I'm going to put on as well that I got. So here's the thing that we're taking out. So I will give you guys a side comparison if I could find it. This is the left side. So this bitch, boom. Previous owner did tint this one. As you guys can see, they're clear. These are a lot better. New harness. So let's go ahead and put this on. Keep that in there. Put that here. And boom. There you go, look. That's gonna go on the right side. Das, that thing looks clean, dude. So there's zip tie. I'm noticing zip ties. For what? So they did put zip ties in here for us. I don't know why. Okay, I know. Because we're not gonna use one of the plugs from the stock lights, and I think those zip ties are given to us to kind of zip tie them out of the way. We're gonna actually screw them into place now. So we need the 7mm, which is down here. Just to screw these things on, because this whole thing just comes. This whole thing just comes off in one piece. So there you guys have it. Look at that. That thing. Let me shine the light at it so you guys can see the carbon. Oh, it's kind of fading right here, but look, that shit's clean. Compare this to that. Dang, this is the new one. That's the old one. This semi doesn't look that bad because it was tinted, but this is this is sequential. So when I put this on, I will turn the car on just so you guys can see a comparison. This is what it should look like, guys, once you guys take off that entire piece off. Like, what I'm talking about is when you take it off, these clips are what's holding it on, which makes it kind of harder for it to wiggle off. But give it a little tug, but be a little gentle with it. You guys don't want to break those clips off because that'd be a no-no. So let me just put this shit back on. This is why I don't fuck with lights. I don't like touching lights. I don't like touching anything electrical. Nothing. So how do I know it's on? Just by looking at it, it doesn't know it's on. Let's get these screws, and then we're just gonna screw where we took them off, and then put the wheel well back on, and then I'll turn the car on just so you guys can see the difference between the two. This is the old turn signal light. Oh, it's not focusing. This one right here, and this is a new one. Sequential and everything. So we're gonna see this together, guys. Are you guys ready? Hang on. Oh, yo, Jesus Christ, Jesus. Oh my, I was looking at it through the lens. It looks crazier in the day or in the, fuck it, dude. Oh, let's see how. Jesus Christ, sequential and everything, dude. This thing looks crazy. Look. Look, I'm gonna unlock it. Look. Oh my. Let's that's sick, guys. That's actually sick.